You may be preparing for an AI certification because you want proof that you can understand the Gen AI, proof that your learning is serious, and proof that you're not just watching tutorial, but deep inside, you may also have this uncomfortable question that is, after I get the certificate, will it be actually making me more hireable? And the question is not negative thinking, it's career intelligence, I would say, because a certificate can help, but only if you know what role it plays in the larger proof stack. See, here's something that I want to name, and I want to name it very honestly. Certification feels like credibility, but on its own, it may not be enough. You want proof, but you're quietly afraid of collecting the badges with no career movement behind them. The market is crowded, and the recruiters and interviewers do care about this proof, but not all proof is equal. So, in this video, I'm not going to sell you the certification as magic, and I'm not going to tell you to skip it. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it well because that's what it matters. Let's be precise about what you actually want and what you quietly fear. See, what you want is real and reasonable. That is, proof that you understand Gen AI, proof your learning is serious, proof that you have moved past passively watching the tutorials. But the fear is sitting underneath. It is just as real. What it says as, what if I pass the exam and still can't explain the real AI system? What if I become just another certificate collector? I want to say cleanly that fear is not weakness, it's career intelligence doing its job. Because somewhere you already sense that a badge and a capability are not automatically the same thing. And you don't want to confuse one for the other. And that instinct is honestly correct. And the rest of this video is about how to honor it. Now, let me make why this matters in a concrete manner. Many learners collect the certificate and the courses and still can't explain systems when it counts. A certificate can open curiosity, a recruiter glance, an interviewer noting it, but the interview confidence comes from understanding, not from the line on the resume. If your certification is disconnected from the projects and the systems thinking, it quietly becomes the weak proof. And in a crowded AI market, a badge alone does not differentiate you deeply because a lot of people have one. But, and this matters, structured certificate preparation can organize your knowledge and build genuine confidence. When it is done seriously, so let me hold both truth at once. A certificate can create a signal, but it cannot carry your entire career story. Certification is useful when it supports understanding. It becomes weak when it tries to replace the understanding. The goal here is not to collect one more badge. The goal here is to build the credible proof. So let's look at the difference as how two people use the same certificate. One is going to treat it as everything. The certificate is meant to carry the career story by itself. In an interview, it amounts to I'm certified, and then what? The proof runs out. The result is the weak proof. The other is going to treat it as one layer. It supports a stack. It backs up their concept, their project, their decision. In an interview, the certificate is the opening, and understanding is the one that will fill the rest. The result is credible proof. Same badge, completely different outcome. And here's the line that I want you to hold on to. Certification is useful when it supports understanding. It's actually weak when it replaces the understanding. Certificate was never the problem, but treating it as the whole strategy, that's the real problem. Now, the important part, why this confusion happens in the first place. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is not a certification problem. It's a proof stack problem. Most learners think career proof is one thing, one certificate, one project, one course completion, one GitHub repository, one LinkedIn post. They're looking for the single item that unlocks everything. But serious learner, the career proof is not one thing, it is layered. It involves conceptual clarity, structured certification, a real project, system design explanation, interview articulation, and visible positioning. Here's the line that I want you to keep. You don't become credible because of one badge. You're going to become credible when multiple signals point to the same capability. When your concepts, your certificate, your project, and the way you talk about all of those three, when it lines up, that's when a recruiter or interviewer is going to believe you, not because of any single one. Now, let me give you this structure. So we call this as the AI career proof stack. It will involve 6 layers, just like we talk about any architecture. Layer number one is your concept clarity. Do you actually understand the core ideas? Layer two, the certification signal. It can show you the external validation. Layer three is your project evidence. Can you build something that demonstrate the ideas? Then it goes deeper. Layer four, system design thinking. Layer five, interview articulation. Layer six, public positioning. And if you notice where the certificate sits, it's in layer number two. It's just one layer, not the foundation, not the whole structure. So in this video, I just wanted to show you this first few layers clearly because they are enough to explain why certificates alone don't create more interviews, but also why certificates are still genuinely useful when you use them correctly. The deeper layers are where a lot of career strength is going to live. And I'll be honest about that as we go. The certificate is not the proof stack, it's one layer inside this proof stack. So let's do one thing. Let's walk the first 3 layers, which is very important. Concept clarity. Without real understanding, certification just becomes a memorization. You can pass and still not know what you know. That's actually can happen. Certification signal. Now, this gives you the external proof. This is real and worth having, but it's partial. Project evidence. This is what converts your knowledge into visible capability. Something a person can look at, not just take your word for. Now, these three already put you ahead of the badge only crowd. But here's the honest part. Deeper career strength comes from the system design thinking, interview articulation, and public positioning. The layers above, the certificate gets you noticed. The layers around it are what make the notice turn into trust. The certificate is not the proof stack, it's the one layer inside it. Now, let me be specific about where a certificate only strategy falls flat. It may fail if the learner can't explain the concepts behind it, if they have no project to point to, if they can't discuss the real use cases, if they can't explain the trade off, if they can't connect a certificate to what role actually needs. Only if they treat passing the exam as the endpoint instead of the beginning, that's where it fails. None of that is a character flaw. Plenty of capable people land here because nobody told them that the badge was only the step one. But here's the line. A certificate can get attention. Understanding keeps the attention. The badge is going to open the door. What you understand is what walks through it. Now, let me be just as clear about the other side because I'm not anti certification at all. If you use correctly, a structured certification path genuinely helps. It organizes your Agentic AI concepts into a coherent map instead of a scattered fragments. It creates focus study with a clear target. It gives you the external credibility. It builds the real confidence in the technology and the foundation. It gives you a resume and LinkedIn signal, and it becomes a conversation starter in the interviews. And this is the condition. It has to be connected to the project work, to systems thinking, to how you will explain it in an interview, to practical examples that you can actually discuss. So here's the framing. Use certification as a bridge into deeper capability, not as a replacement for it. When you treat it as a bridge, it's one of the most efficient ways to organize your learning. When you treat it as the destination, it stalls. Now, there's a smaller skill that matters more than most people think: how you position the certificate. Here's the weak version. I completed an AI certification. True, but it falls flat because it tells no story. Now, a stronger version would be: I completed my NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certification, and I use that foundation to build and explain the agentic workflows, rack pattern, evaluation consideration, and production trade off. Now, if you notice, I'm keeping this at the diagnostic level. Now, that's what is actually important for you right now. So, if you hear the difference just at a plain level, I don't have to go deeper itself. If you just hear the difference, the strong version connects the badge into capability and to the explanation. So, how you position the certificate matters almost as much as the certificate itself. The same exam framed two ways, it is going to send a two different, two completely different signal. Now, I want to be honest with you about where this video can and can't take you. You now have the lens. You understand that certification is one layer and it has to connect to the understanding and the project. And you all have also understood as how to position it. Now, that clarity is genuine progress. But the understanding the strategy is not same as preparing well. To actually prepare, you need the structured lessons, exam focused preparation, concept breakdowns that will build the understanding. And you also need the practice question, a revision plan. So the connection from concept to the understanding, that's something that you have to work with. A single video can give you the lens, but it cannot replace the structured exam preparation. So if you feel a little discomfort right now, that's useful because that's actually showing you that you need the better structured preparation. All right. Now, if you're looking for the structured preparation, where the structured lessons practice the readiness, so I will say this: understanding about how to use the certification is the first step, but actually preparing seriously without scattering your time is a different kind of work. This is exactly why I created this NVIDIA NCP-AAI certification course, because I don't want you to treat certification like a random badge. I want you to prepare seriously, understand the concept, and avoid scattered study, and use the certification as one layer of your AI career proof. It's a structured preparation, focus lessons on the NVIDIA Agentic AI concept, and you'll also get the practice test so that you can prepare well. So it's not for people looking for dumb shortcuts or guaranteed outcome. So what is it? Is the honest, structured preparation. All right, guys. So with this, we come to the end of this video. You can check the link in the description. So if you're looking for a certificate, I think this would be a right choice. If you're looking for like if you're looking for a structured learning where you want to do the hands-on build, so that's what we have got in our Agentic AI Enterprise Mastery Bootcamp. Or if you're looking to master the articulation of the system design, you can also check out the same. I've linked everything in the description below. So system ship, demos don't. This is Nachiketh Murthy. I'll see you next time.